In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with MetaTrader 5, from account setup to your first trade. We'll walk through opening an account, logging in, getting familiar with the platform, adding assets, opening charts, placing your first trade, and why practicing on a demo is the smartest place to begin. By the end, you'll be comfortable navigating MT5 and taking your very first steps with confidence. First, create an account with a broker that supports MT5. Most reputable brokers clearly state MT5 compatibility on their websites. When you sign up, choose a demo account. A demo mirrors real market conditions but uses virtual funds, letting you learn the platform and test ideas without risking real money. It's the safest way to build skills before going live. Next, log in. Open MT5 on the web, desktop, or mobile. Use whichever device you prefer. Enter your account ID, password, and the correct server provided by your broker. Make sure the server matches your account type, such as demo or live. If you copy and paste credentials, watch out for extra spaces and keep your login details secure. When the platform opens, get oriented. MarketWatch is the list of assets on the left. It shows symbols and live prices. The chart window displays price movement, where you'll analyze trends. The toolbox at the bottom shows your open trades, account history, alerts, and more. Think of these three areas as your control center. To add trading assets, right-click anywhere in MarketWatch and select symbols. Browse categories like forex pairs, gold, indices, or crypto. Double-click to show or hide any instrument. Keep your list focused so you can monitor what matters to you. Open a chart by double-clicking any asset in MarketWatch. Switch the chart to candlestick view for clearer price action. You can change time frames, zoom in and out, and drag the chart left or right to study past movement. This helps you see trends and key levels. Ready to place your first trade? Click New Order. Start small with your lot size. 0.01 is a good beginner volume. Decide whether you want to buy or sell based on your analysis. You'll see the spread, which is the difference between bid and ask, and you can optionally set a stop loss and take profit right in the ticket. Click to confirm, then watch your position in the toolbox. Finally, practice first. Use the demo account to learn the workflow, test strategies, and understand how order size affects risk. Aim for consistency and a clear process before considering real money. When you're confident navigating MT5, you'll be ready to move forward.